So before I jump into the charts, I just want to make it clear this is not financial advice. I'm just documenting my journey through the cosmos. Now, looking at Akash Network on the daily time frame, you can see a triple bullish divergence is forming on the MACD. The stochastic RSI is getting a reset. Guys, last time we saw this signal play out was around in April, and we ended up getting a pretty significant move from the 22 cent mark to around the 78 cent mark of 244%. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen again, but if we look at what the Akash network is doing and what the chart's saying, this could be an incredible move up. If we look at Akash Twitter, we can see the Akash GPU testnet has already produced custom deployment specifications for the leading AI apps and models. So if we go over to the Akash website, we can see they are running a testnet. Now, I'm not participating in any of this. I just enjoy investing in the protocol and staking it in Cosmos. But you can see, guys, there is a lot of competition currently around decentralized storage. And I think Akash is way ahead of the game. And I mean far ahead of everybody else when it comes to cloud storage. Now, if you don't know what Akash Network is, I would really recommend go and read up on it and understand what Akash Network provides, because when you compare it to a lot of other networks, guys, you understand why Akash stands out a lot more than the others. Now, the daily chart does look extremely bullish, but we have to remember it all depends on what Bitcoin does. And if Bitcoin continues to grind around the 30,000 area, this is going to set up Akash for a massive breakout. Now, if we look at lower time frames on the chart, there is a possible pullback coming for Akash, and I would expect Akash to come back down, maybe in a retest that 52-51 cent level. This would align with the RSI coming back down to retest, and this would be where price probably finds support and then goes for another run up. But what I want to talk about here is the bearish case, because there is a possible bearish divergence forming, but I'm starting to think it's invalidated because we are seeing buy pressure slightly make a higher high on the histogram, as you can see, the island. So you're kind of invalidating the bearish divergence. So this is where you start to think, okay, maybe Akash is going to pull back before the next leg up. Because guys, you got to keep the higher time frames in perspective, and this is only just starting. This move could be a insane breakout, because we have been in this consolidation since May. Around May, we peaked at May, and it's been in this range from 45 cents. But what stands out to me is the higher lows, because if we're getting this seller exhaustion on the higher low compared to where it was back here and it was over here again, you can see, guys, the divergence is real, and this signifies a pretty big move up brewing on the Akash chart. Now, if we go down even lower to the 1 hour chart, you know, it's the same story with the bear divergence. It doesn't really play out right because of the buying pressure. So I like to keep it on the daily chart, guys, just to not be shaken out of your spots. I think Akash is getting ready for an incredible move up. But like I said, guys, always do your own research before putting any money into these protocols. But it does look like Akash has something brewing. That's it for the Akash video. If you want to read up on Akash, I really recommend to do some research. Go to collectiveshift.ao AKT and give it a read. Peace.